In the heart of ancient Persia, amidst the sands of the vast Persian Plateau, arose a powerful empire that would shake the foundations of the known world. This was the Achaemenid Empire, a realm of grandeur and splendor, with its roots tracing back to the conquests of Cyrus the Great. Yet, it was Darius, his son and successor, who would truly cement the empire's legacy. Born in 550 BCE, Darius was a man of humble beginnings, a crown prince bred in the crucible of war and political intrigue. The empire was not without its troubles. A period of turmoil ensued after the death of Cyrus, with various factions vying for power. Darius, however, was not one to be daunted. He rose through the ranks, consolidating his power and silencing his detractors. The first major crisis came with the Ionian Revolt of 499 BCE. The Greeks, under the influence of Athens, rebelled against Persian rule. Darius, seeing this as a direct challenge to his authority, assembled a massive army and set sail for Greece. The Battle of Marathon saw the Greeks emerge victorious, but Darius was undeterred. He returned to Persia, regrouped, and planned his revenge. The Second Persian invasion of Greece was a brutal, punishing campaign, resulting in the sack of Athens and the burning of its Acropolis. Darius's conquests did not end with Greece. He extended the empire's reach eastward, conquering modern-day Afghanistan, Pakistan, and parts of India. He also expanded westward, establishing control over Egypt and Libya. Darius's reign was marked by architectural and cultural achievements. He built the impressive Palace of Susa, adorned with intricate carvings and grand halls. He also standardized the Persian system of administration, known as the satrapy system, which ensured peace and prosperity throughout the empire. However, Darius's reign was not without its darker side. His rule was marked by tyranny and oppression, with taxes and forced labor causing unrest among the subjected peoples. His final years were marred by a rebellion led by a man named Gaumata, who claimed to be a Magian pretender. Darius rallied his forces and set out to quell the rebellion. However, he met his untimely end in the Battle of Cunaxa in 486 BCE. His son, Xerxes, succeeded him, carrying on the legacy of the Achaemenid Empire. Darius's reign marked a period of unparalleled expansion and prosperity for the Achaemenid Empire. Yet, his rule was also marked by tyranny and oppression, a testament to the complex nature of leadership in ancient times. His legacy, however, would endure, shaping the course of history for centuries to come.